Tapos na kami ang sabi niya.
Basa kayo.
Gago! Gago! Tanga! Inuting!
She leads a lonely life.
Si istong nagwapuhon, wala gani ka-iskila. Wala siya'y trabaho, wala sa siya'y asawa. Nakahukom, manimpalat na lang siya. Nilarga sa Manila, sa Maynila, sa nilarga, na may putos ang iyang dala.
Siguruhan, ako yung pinaka-artistahin mong maliligaw dati.
Bakit? Paano mo naman nasabi?
Ako yung napangasawa mo eh.
Alam mo, kung sino pa yung tao na gwapo at mahal na mahal mo, ay siya pa yung salot sa buhay mo. Loko ka, napakababaerot na singgiro mo pa.
Hindi ako ng babae. Sila yung lalaki, biktima lang ako.
I want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies. You're so self-satisfied. I don't need you. I've got to break free. God knows. God knows I want to break free. I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love for the first time. And this time I know it's for real. I've fallen in love. Yeah. God knows. God knows I've fallen in love.
Baby, won't you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. Now you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said, but there is something left in my head.